Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So, we are looking at temperatures across the region, which are pretty close to the low 80s everywhere you look, except for Longboat Key, which is still coming in at 75. 73 in Sarasota, 2 more degrees, and we tie a record, 3, and we break a record. We're going to break the record today. There's no doubt about it. And I think that'll be the second day in a row for a broken record. Probably tomorrow we might get close to breaking the record again. So pretty significant weather here on the Sun Coast. And the number of 80-degree days is impressive as well. So the heat wave continues and no end in sight, at least for the next 7 to 10 days. 82 Wauchula, 82 Arcadia, Myakka, the same parish, ditto. Bradenton, 82, Lakewood Ranch, 82, Northport, 82, Inglewood, 80, Venice, 81. Dew point values are still okay. They're comfortable. 68, that's all right. Get into the 70s and it starts to feel really sticky. It's not quite as good as it was yesterday with dew points a few degrees lower than this, but still 68 is okay. 83-degree air temperature, a fair amount of cloud cover out there. I think we'll start to see some of that cloud cover begin to mix away, a little bit more sunshine, and that will allow for the temperatures to continue to rise. Southeast wind breezy at about 14, and that little southerly component to the easterly wind that we had yesterday is the reason we have increased dew point values around the region. We have some scattered showers still remaining down to the south. I think we'll start to see those kind of mix away as we head into the afternoon. That's not a big threat to us. Is it possible that 1 or 2 of those could move into particularly inland areas? Yes, it's possible. I saw that yesterday. Probably see it again today. Chance maybe about 10%. That's about it. And I don't think we'll see anything that will give us appreciable rainfall. So I'm not putting rain in the forecast today. But I wouldn't be shocked to see one pop up in inland areas. As I mentioned, this is false echo. It's well, actually, it's not false echo. It's really there. It's just little strips of aluminum dropped by aircraft to confuse radar in a military training exercise. So that's not real rain, and it is not going to in any way impact our weather. You can see there's no clouds around in this area. We do have had a little bit of thicker cloud cover, but now it's kind of giving way to this really little dotted cellular cloud cover that we get, and there's lots of room for sunshine to go through those clouds and heat things up. So we are on our way to about 87 for a daytime high today, I think. And then as we head into the evening hours, we'll probably taper off the temperatures a little slower than we did yesterday, a little bit, just because of the extra humidity in the air. So 76 degrees by about 7 p.m. By midnight, 72. When you wake up tomorrow morning, temperatures will be hovering around the 70-degree mark. And I think it'll be just a beautiful morning with a lot of sunshine to start the day and little in the way of any kind of fog or rain chance tomorrow morning. East wind shifts southeast, coming in at about 10 knots out on the open waters with 2-foot seas and a light chop. And the 7-day forecast looks pretty warm. 87 today, 87 tomorrow, or 88 rather, a little bit warmer. And then as we head into Thursday, 87 degrees. Then we start to talk about maybe a little bit of cooling each and every day as we head into the weekend. But even so, with an 83-degree temperature, if we call that cooling, it's still about 10 degrees warmer than our average temperature would be at this time of year. So the heat wave continues. Back to you.